What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. This is my first video, so please be kind. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection palettes, and the one that I'm more focused on is Ring the Alarm. And then I'm also going to take two shades from Dark Magic, but don't worry about that. First, I'm going to go ahead and carve out my brows. You can do your brows however you want. There is no right or wrong way. I personally like to use a pencil when I'm in a rush because it's so much faster and you get so much more precision. I'm also using the Kat Von D tattoo concealer in the color Warm, and I'm just going to use that to carve out my brows. And then I take a blending brush and I go ahead and blend the edges of that concealer. I'm not too worried about the blend because I haven't put on any foundation or anything yet. I'm going to take that same concealer and prime my eye and that same blending brush and blend all of that concealer right out. After I get that blended, I'm going to go in with my Coty Airspun powder in the color Translucent with the setting brush just to set my eyelid. The first color I'm going to go in with is Rush, just to warm up my crease and use this as a transition color. The next shade I'm going to go in with is Mugshot. I'm focusing that in the little area between my crease and my lid. I don't know what that's really called, so yeah, put it there. Then I'm using Bomb Ass and Siren, kind of dipping into both of them to create this reddish purpley shade. It's so pretty and deep. I love it. And I'm blending that right into Mugshot. Then I'm going to take a clean blending brush and just blend around the edges so that it's not harsh and there's not like clear lines of where each eyeshadow starts. I also took another blending brush and went back in with Rush around the edges to make it softer. Now I'm going to go in with Framed just to deepen up my V so that I have like some definition at the outer corner of my eye. And as you can see, like I'm dragging it out pretty far just because I'm going to cut this crease. I like to cut my crease with shadows first because I am not great with cut creases and I have like really big buggy eyes, so I just like to play it safe first and go in with my eyeshadow before I take my concealer and seal the deal. Now I'm using that same concealer that I used to prime my lid and carve out my brows to cut my crease. I wanted this cut crease to be kind of long and elongated because my eyes are pretty round and buggy, like they're really big. So I wanted it to look more slanted, I guess. Not slanted, but just longer instead of wide-eyed. I want it to be long-eyed. As you can see, I am still cutting my crease just because I want to get it exactly how I want it. I need to cut my crease for my eye shape because every tutorial out here is not going to be for you. It's for you to tailor it to your face, how it looks good on you, worn by you. So that's the goal here. Cut your crease for your face shape, for your eye shape. Do what looks good on you. Don't forget that. Next, I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue. I love this stuff. And some J-Cat's glitter. I'm outlining my crease with the NYX glitter glue and then using a eyeliner brush to pack that glitter right on top of the NYX. And I'm using this eyeliner brush because it's really small and it picks up just a tad bit of the glitter at a time. So use whatever brush you have handy, but I like this one because it's small. Now I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet so that you guys can just watch me work. Now I'm just dusting off that excess glitter, that tiny bit of fallout, and I'm taking Poof from the Dark Magic palette just because this is what I had handy. You guys can use any white, yellow tone shadow that you have. I'm just using this one because it's what was right next to me. And this is also setting that concealer that I cut my crease with. Next, I'm going to take Power Cut, which is like this pretty shiny looking silvery color. You can use, again, any color. It does not have to be from this palette. And you can go ahead and pack that right on top of Poof. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup. All the stuff that ain't nobody got time for and ain't nobody caring to see. So I'm going to be back once I'm done doing my face makeup. And then we will finish this eye look. Alright guys, I'm back and I'm taking Bomb Ass and Siren right underneath my waterline with a pencil brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and take Alert with a fluffy blending brush and blend that out because I love a blown out lower lash line. Completes the look. Then I'm going to take this horrible mascara from Ulta Beauty and put some lashes on after I attempt to put some of the mascara on. I love these lashes. They were freaking $2.99. I was so excited about it. Next, I'm going to take my Tea Rose blush by Milani and go ahead and blush these cheeks. This Physicians Formula Marula Rula, or whatever it's called, butter highlighter is the truth. It is so soft and like I just could not get over it. Like I was literally gagging at how freaking pretty it was. I contoured my nose just a tiny bit so that it wouldn't be left out. And then of course I'm gonna highlight my Cupid's bow, my inner corner, and my brow bone. I love highlighter, so I tend to go crazy with it. Don't judge me. I like to sparkle, bitch. Setting my face with my setting spray, and then I did this really horrible berry lip. I don't know what I was thinking, but it did go with the look. And here you go. Now I'm just gonna give you some slow-mos of me thinking I'm the shit because I really did like this eye look, y'all. If you do recreate it, please tag me and let me see how yours came out. I would love that. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you think this tutorial is bomb. I do personally. I like it, but maybe I'm a little biased. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love, hugs, and kisses.